Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring both devices can talk. The TV must support AirPlay or have an Apple TV, and both must be on the same Wi-Fi. You also need the iPad up to date. This avoids compatibility problems. Once done, enable AirPlay on the TV so it will accept connections, then on the iPad swipe to open Control Center and tap screen mirroring. This step initiates discovery. Why? Because the iPad broadcasts, and the TV must respond to pair. You now pick the TV from the screen mirroring list. If a code appears, type it on the iPad to authorize the link. Choose Mirror to show the whole iPad screen, or Cast from a compatible app to stream only that app. This saves bandwidth and preserves aspect ratio. Make sure the TV input matches the receiver. Then, if the picture feels cropped or blurred, tweak resolution or aspect ratio on the TV or in the iPad app settings so the image is sharp. To finish, stop screen mirroring from Control Center or disconnect from the TV's AirPlay menu. That cleanly closes the session and frees network resources. If you get audio dropouts or noticeable lag, restart both devices, verify strong Wi-Fi signal, and reduce other network traffic. Lower latency comes from less congestion. If wireless fails or you need minimal delay for gaming, use a Lightning or USB-C to HDMI adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.